financial accounting, we're talking about the statement of cash flows. And the second section of the statement of cash flows has to do with investing. Where did your cash come from or spend for investing activities? And you'll recall that investing activities come from your non-current assets. In other words, from your long-term investment accounts and from your plant asset accounts or property, plant, and equipment accounts. We're going to take a look in particular at an investment account. And you'll remember that the anatomy of an investment account, it's an asset, so it always has a debit beginning balance. You increase investments whenever you buy investments, and you decrease investments whenever you sell investments. And that will give you your ending balance. And that's the only thing that happens in this investment account. Now, the question is looking at this activity in this account, how much cash did we get or did we spend for investments? Now, it's pretty easy to figure out how much cash we spent for investments because it's always what you buy. So if I bought investments of $116,000, that means that's the cash that's going to go out, or the cash outflow, and so that would be what? Deducted when I do my statement of cash flows. So cash outflow, subtract. The tougher part is when I look at when I sell investments. Now when I sell investments, it's a little bit more involved because the journal entry, you may remember, is I'm going to debit cash for however much cash I receive when I sell this investment. I know that I'm either going to debit or credit a gain or a loss, and I know that I'm going to credit investment. So when I sold this investment that cost me $78,000, I really want to know how much cash did I receive. Well, the problem, and this is exercise 8, also tells me that the income statement showed that we had a loss on the sale of this investment of $13,000. And you'll remember that in the operating section, that loss of $13,000 would be added back to the operations. In the entry, when we recorded this sale, we debited loss for $13,000. So the question here is how much cash flowed in because I sold the investment, and that's what's going to show up in the investing section. So $78,000 minus $13,000 is $65,000. So what's going to show as a cash inflow in your investing section is that $65,000. So when we do the statement of cash flows, we're going to show $65,000 as a cash inflow, and we're going to show the $116,000 as a cash outflow as far as our investing activities are concerned. So cash in, cash out. Changing cash, more cash is going out than coming in. So the next thing we're going to look at is plant assets, which also impacts the investing section.